Welcome to AI Kids. Hello friends, let's have fun with alphabets. A for apple. Apple. A for ant. Ant. B for ball. Ball. B for boat. Boat. C for cow. Cow. C for car. Car. D for duck. Duck. D for dog. Dog. E for egg. Egg. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. F for fox. Fox. G for giraffe. Giraffe. G for girl. Girl. H for horse. Horse. H for hen. Hen. I for ice cream. I for ink. J for jug. Jug. J for jelly. K for kennel. Kennel. K for kite. Kite. L for leaf. Leaf. L for lotus. M for moon. Moon. M for monkey. N for nurse. N for nest. O for octopus. O for owl. P for pigeon. P for police. Q for queen. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. R for rose. S for star. S for ship. T for train. T for tree. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for van. V for vegetables. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I A B C. Next I want to sing with me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.